Give him 3 days. Give him 3 days. That's the advice that I give to my girlfriends, and it works every time, because guess what? When a man starts to pull away, it's not his attraction for you that goes first, and it's not his affection, and it's not even his love. It is his attention. So give him 3 days. Don't reach out to him, don't call him, don't text him. Give him 3 days, plenty of time, and see what happens. If you are always the one reaching out, texting, calling, you are never giving him the opportunity to show you that he is still pursuing you. Oh, but what if he doesn't call, and what if he doesn't text, and what if I don't hear from him for 3 days? If you don't hear from him for 3 days, there is your answer. Why would you want to be with someone like that? You deserve the world. You deserve a phone call. You deserve a text. You deserve attention. Because I'm getting my master's in marriage and family therapy, though, I will add in the small caveat that every relationship is different. You know, there are going to be people who maybe just aren't very good at reaching out. But regardless, if you express to them that something is important to you and they still don't meet your expectations, that's when we need to reconsider what we're doing. Anyways, 3 days. Hope this helps.